Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video today, we're going to be discussing some recent news that I came across with respect to quotas being placed on visa applications for Chinese travel agencies. That's travel agencies within China which are processing visas for Chinese nationals wishing to come to Thailand, presumably as tourists. It looks like this is mostly pertaining to tourists. To quote directly from ecns.cn, and the title of the article is Thailand Sets Quota for Visa Applications from Chinese Travel Agencies. Quoting directly from the article, Thailand's embassy in China recently informed China's travel agencies that it would only accept around 100 visa applications from each agency starting Thursday. Quote, because of the huge number of Chinese tourists, we only can accept 100 passports from each travel agency from November 30. Read a Thai embassy notice sent to the travel agencies on Tuesday. Qualified travel agencies in Shanghai are only allowed to submit 80 applications per day until April 2018, the paper.cn reported on Wednesday. Quoting further, a little further down, travel website C-Trip confirmed with the paper.cn that it received the notice from the Thai embassy. They have also extended the Thai visa application period from 6 to 18 working days. Quoting further, regardless of the travel agent, the fee for Thai visa applications will be increased, an industry specialist told the Global Times on Thursday. Well, it would appear that initiatives have been taken. There's a lot of Chinese package tourists that come through Thailand, and while I'm sure that they're encouraged, there's simply, for lack of a better term, a carrying capacity with respect to, I'm sure, that the caseload that the Thai embassy in China can handle, and also with respect to how many folks, can be accommodated through these package tourist setups through Thailand. So, while I'm not going to speculate on the reasons behind this, it seems pretty logical to infer that the Thai government has their reasons. But that being said, I think this is of a particular import for those from China who are wishing to come to Thailand, especially those tourists, as it seems pretty likely that probably processing times are going to get slower up there with respect to Thai visa applications. And I think it's probably pretty logical to infer also that it make it, as the article said, it make it more expensive to apply for Thai visas, especially through agencies. Now, it seems a little interesting because they didn't specifically discuss in the article, or much of anywhere else that I could find, if there was going to be any changes with respect to individuals simply applying for visas individually to Thailand. There has been some discussion in the past that sort of more higher value tourists often come individually or in smaller groups, perhaps even in small family groups, as opposed to, sort of, again, the large package tourist model or package tourist scheme model, large package tour. I don't even know what the right word for it is. They sort of, there's just sort of a mechanism for it, if you will. It's almost like, I don't mean to sound disdainful or something, but there is kind of almost an assembly line atmosphere when you see certain package tours where it's very clear that, the tour guide has done this a million times. The people on it are basically just going through the motions that are being sort of laid out in front of them, as opposed to sort of individual tourists who, are kind of more operating a little bit more free-willed, I guess, for lack of a better word. But that being said, I think it's of interest because it's clear that not only is Thailand taking certain immigration issues seriously, it's also clear to me that, they have only a certain capacity with respect to the amount of actual visas they can process, and it seems to be that they've sort of found the number that they feel like they can deal with on an efficient and effective basis, and they're sticking to it.